Okay, so this company is called Dental, and they have a lot of open roles that you can apply to if you're actually looking for jobs and high-paying jobs, most especially. They are jobs that are for I'm presently in Columbus, but you can also find remote jobs on this website. The company has a lot of Internet of Things programs, and okay, we're going to read about the company very soon. But here is the way the company works. They have group of very brilliant team, senior engineers and co that work for other business and generate ideas for them. Okay, so let's see. The value of the company is to know employees and success revolves around living and breathing our core values day in and day out. So anyways, once you're ready, just go through the link. I'm going to post this link in the description of the video. In By clicking the arrow down button, you'll find the link in the description. So this company has values such as growth, resilience, initiative, and tenacity. So let's go to the open rows. So once you click on this view open rows, you definitely come here. So these are the roles that are available. Customer care representative. You can choose the location you want. Do you want it to be in Columbus, or you want it to be Columbus or remote? So I want remote jobs as well. So I you have to click on Columbus or remote jobs. So the work type can either be contract or full time. So anyone you like, you click through the filter, and your filter will bring the ones you pick. So now we have customer operations department that has customer care representative, revenue and business that has client success manager, enrollment manager, strategic account manager. For the marketing department, the roles open include director, creative and branding, senior director, senior graphic design, growth marketing director. In sales, we have deal desk manager, development executive, and technology product analyst. While for engineering department, have a whole lot analytics engineer, senior software engineer, reliability engineer, vice president engineering. Then for product, we have product design, the UX, then product manager, then vice president design. So I would go for graphic design. So let me apply to the role of graphic design. So by clicking on this, it will take you to the next tab. Okay, so yeah, so this is a role for graphic design. So Beam Dental was founded in 2012 by three engineers, and they modernized the dental insurance industry using technology. Their first product was Beam Brush, and it's an earliest example of Internet of Things in healthcare. This company is fast growing, and it's a provider of dental benefits in the country and has several branches all around the state. So once you want to apply, you click on apply for this role. But let's look down. What are the requirements? Working for a complex and dynamic business simultaneously operating across insurance, CPG, manufacturing, Internet of Things, and dental services. Being challenged to improve every day by a diverse and diversely skilled team. Engaging in an active, intense, and fun work environment. Being a decision maker and owner of your subject matter. Joining in our mission to forever change the way people access dental services, and being a person of high character, high emotional quotient, and amazing talent. The role as a senior graphic designer at Beam, you are going to be an integral part of the organization. So collaborating in all aspects of business from sales and marketing to member experience to engineering and software, and to create an insurance experience unlike any other. So you have to use your strong visual design and problem solving skills to grow existing brand language across both physical and digital touch points, and should feel equally comfortable creating high quality, technically sound design solutions in either environment. This role will be the primary point person on videography capabilities for the team, focusing on product videos, thought and leadership videos, walkthroughs, and campaigns. So, what you bring, you have to be a self starter who is able to find. Okay, so you must be a flexible team player capable of working on multiple projects at a time at once. Then what you do, you work with creative director, be a graphic design leader, and you own projects and ensure the concept, strategy, and final execution are up to brand standards. You must help build a cohesive brand experience across multiple touch points for multiple stakeholders and be equally comfortable creating world-class brand experiences for print and digital mediums, including everything from package design to user interface graphic design. So collaborate with marketers, US designers, engineers, and others to ensure business requirements are met. All right, so what skills will help you? Bachelor's degree in visual communications, graphic design or related field, formal training in typography, design principles and production, 4 to 6 years of agency or in-house experience, experience with videography, highly conceptual with a history of building modern brand experiences, strong knowledge of Sketch and Adobe Suite products, detail-oriented and highly organized, the keen eye for consistency, photography and motion skills are a plus. Okay, so like I said, if you actually want this role, you can click on this link, apply for the job. So this employer is does not discriminate and is an harassment free company. So you can always join them. You can you have to input your LinkedIn profile, then you upload your resume, your personal details such as full name, email address, phone, and correct company, though that's optional. Your LinkedIn URL, Twitter, and the rest, optional. So just fill the important fields, which are asterisk field, and add your cover letter if you love to share. So, all right. So, when you are done applying, just click submit. These are the things you likely find. So, anyways, I know that applying for jobs can be very, very hectic, but try as much as possible to apply as soon as you can because it might be a first come, first serve basis. So, thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification button to turn on notification. Click on the bell to turn on notification and please tell your friends to join and subscribe to this channel. All right, see you in my next video. Take care and bye.